This parasha is the parasha of Toldot. Parasha of Toldot talks about twins. They have twins. They have Yaakov and Esav. Rivka have them, and he has pain. She has pain. She doesn't know what to do. A Jew, when she has a pain, what to do? He goes and he asks our addressing for pain is not pain management, not a doctor, is not. Our addressing for real pain is HaKadosh. And Hashem told her that it's justified pain because you have two gain, goyim and gain. It's written gain, we read it goyim. There are two different kingdoms and two different nations in your stomach, in your womb and your father. They have a fight, struggle. That's why you have pain, justified pain. Now it's very interesting that when Torah, HaKadosh told her, says, goyim is written gain. It's very interesting. All of the Torah, always written and reading is the same. Sometimes there's a difference. Why there's a difference? You see, the way that we read it is external. People hear. The way that's written is internal. That's the way that it internally is. Now, gain means to might. To might. Internally, HaKadosh Baruch Hu wanted these twins to be to might, to carry the Malchut of Hashem. Esav with his hand, Yadayim with Esav, administration. And Yaakov, Kol Yaakov with his Torah, with brain, thinking, and processing Torah. Both together to build up Am Yisrael. Like Rashi says, Kein Ketiv, they said, Antinos and Rabbi. Now, what was Antinos and Rabbi? Rabbi was telling Antinos was saying, Rabbi, when you get up in the morning, I don't want you to put your foot on the ground. I bent over and you should put your foot on me. Unbelievable. Descendant, and there's what the descendant of Esav. Descendant of Esav understood what was the Chokhmah of HaKadosh Baruch Hu when he said Gain. He understood all of his power is to disconnect Rabbi from the ground. Ground symbolizes Gashmiut, materialistic. He's telling Rabbi, your time is being wasted. Materialistic. You're so holy. Your machshava, your kapana, your tefillah, your avodah is so holy that the more you disconnect yourself from the ground and you be over Hashem totally, you're gonna be helping all of the humanity much better. I bent over, I do the Gashmiut materialistic, and I'm good in that. I provide, and you elevate. Both together, we're gonna build up the world. And that is what will happen. Antinos is ready to bend over that Rabbi should put his foot on him and to do it. Why? Because he's not interested in himself. He's interested in the majesty of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. He's interested to see how we could elevate HaKadosh Baruch Hu, how we could make Hashem better. And if it means to say that I should bend over, Rabbi should come on me, I'm ready to do that because that makes elevation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and that is the purpose of the creation. The purpose of the creation is that. But unfortunately, Esav doesn't want it. Esav doesn't want it. No, Esav comes to the father and says, Abba, do we give Meister on Melach? Do we give Meister on Teven, straw? Abba says, no. Now, what did he mean with this question? He meant to say, Abba, you're telling me that that's called administration. Administration is maintaining. It's like a straw. Straw maintains the kernel. Without straw, we cannot have kernels. That's obvious. Everybody knows that. That makes it to happen. But when it comes to Meiser, what do we give Meiser from? The primary food, which is kernel, or straw. So he felt that I don't have the chashivut that importance, not there. I see Yaakov is more chashuv, the one I reject everything. Now, what's the point? The point is like this. In other words, in Avodat Hashem, who makes the homework? In a classroom, who makes the homework? The teacher or the student? If the student makes the homework for himself, the student doesn't know. wants to be comfortable, what he likes. Teacher knows what's the best for a person. Hashem knows what's the best for a person. Hashem makes the homework for a person. And that homework makes you to grow, makes you to elevate yourself and everybody. That's the homework that Hashem makes. And Esav wanted to make homework for himself. And that's our life. Do we act like Esav or do we act like Yaakov? Are we happy with the homework of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, or want to make our own homework? Once somebody came to Rabbi Amsterdam and told him that I cannot be over Hashem. He told him, why can't you be over Hashem? Over Hashem is for everybody. No. I don't have the money of this rich person. I don't have the mind of this mindful person. I don't have the heart of this such a heartfelt person that you, such a nice and beloved and loves everybody. I can't learn Gemara because I don't have the brain. I cannot give tzedakah because I don't have the money. I cannot do chesed because my heart is not so kind. I cannot be with Hashem. Rabbi Mustam smiled at him and he says, very interesting, you're making such a great mistake in life. If you had that brain, if you had that heart, that money, you would be serving yourself. You would say in your brain, that's Avodah Zarah. You would worship idol, which is yourself. El Zar Becha, Nabi says. There is the greatest Avodah Zarah, El Zar Becha. There is a God of foreign. It's foreign God. But it's within you. That's the greatest Avodah Zarah. If a person wants to eradicate Avodah Zarah from himself, listen to HaKadosh Baruch. If you learn Gemara with the cup that you have, if you give tzedakah with the money that you have, if you do chesed with the heart that Hashem gave you, this is Avodat Hashem, and you are very high level because you do whatever that Hashem wants you to do, and that's the greatest service for Hashem. Hashem makes the service. Esav made such a mistake, and he lost for himself, he lost for Dorot, he lost for all of his generation. They could have been Jews, they could have been Pesach, Matzah, or Shavuot, Sukkah, children of Esav have been like that, but they lost everlasting because he wanted something else. He didn't want to be listen to HaKadosh Baruch. And that's our life. We choose to be Esav or to be like Yaakov.